All right, guys. The next thing that we're going to talk about is an autoresponder. So, for those of you who don't know what an autoresponder is, whenever you sign up to something and you start getting emails from them. So, let's say that you sign up for Amazon.com and Amazon sends you an email saying like "welcome," and they send you an email 5 days later saying, make sure that you check out all these cool products, and they send you like promotions and things like that. You're part of an autoresponder, right? An autoresponder is basically what automatically sends out emails. And so, I'm going to introduce you to something that is very, very valuable with ClickFunnels. Docs.clickfunnels.com has so much to offer for you guys. So like, for example, Mailchimp is an autoresponder. So you can type in Mailchimp and then how to integrate Mailchimp with your ClickFunnels, right? And so what we're going to do is actually the $297 version, because that's the version that I personally use and feel comfortable with, and it has everything you could ever possibly need. And I know $297 a month seems crazy, but it's just not crazy. It's the best value you could ever possibly get if you are working extremely hard using it, and it only starts to scale up and up and up as like more people kind of enter your ecosystem and things like that. So this is docs.clickfunnels.com, and then again you can go to get help right here in the bottom, and you can say, how do I integrate with Mailchimp? Right? And like you can, how to connect MailChimp with your sales funnels. You can actually click this help article, or if you want to talk to a real person, you can press submit a ticket here. And then people actually, live people are here. You can send the message, they'll respond, and they'll help you. So those are two very good ways, because one of the most important things I can teach you guys is how to solve things you can't figure out, right? Because I'm going to show you as much as I can. But again, this is basically a free course. It's not going to be as in-depth as, my master classes for Amazon, Shopify, and Facebook ads, because those are obviously more expensive courses where it literally is everything A to Z. I'm going to try as best I can for this course, but I want to teach you guys, how to find your own help, because it's so valuable to be able to do that. So docs.clickfunnels.com, and then again with this little help button right here. And so what we're going to do, guys, for the rest of this tutorial is actually use the Actionetics and Backpack. So up here, it'll say, like when you hover over this, it'll be blank. Click on it, and you can actually just go to upgrade, and it won't charge you anything, right? After the 14-day free trial, it will start to charge you $297 a month. And if you decide it's worth it, you can actually you can message ClickFunnels and say that you want to pay for a full year, right? And they'll give you a significant discount. So I paid I think $297 a month times 12 months is $3,600, and I think I paid like $1,700 out of pocket for the whole year, and it's gonna make me millions and millions of dollars. And maybe it won't make you that right away, but it definitely has the potential to do it if you're kind of doing the right things and applying what I'm telling you. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna show you how to actually integrate autoresponder into your profile. So we're gonna come up to here and go to SMTP settings and set up email sending. And now what we're going to do is just follow along with what I showed you right before, how to integrate MailChimp with ClickFunnels, and to find this again, docs.clickfunnels.com, and you can just search for answers MailChimp. And so I already set up a little demo account here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the account name, and we're going to go to profile, just follow these steps, right? Go to extras, API keys. We're going to create a key. Now that this is created, we're going to copy it. And then we're going to go back to ClickFunnels and go to, we're going to go to integrations, add integration. And we're going to do MailChimp. API key here. We're going to call this MailChimpy so it's more hilarious. Add integration, right? And so now that is done. It was very, very easy. All right, cool. And so the next thing that we're going to do is actually show you how this kind of works in action, right? So let's go back to one of our funnels, and we're going to go to ClickFunnels cheat sheet. And here we see the response to what we just did like 5 minutes ago, which is kind of cool. We're going to go to edit page. And so when somebody actually opens this page, right, they give us their email from the pop-up here, which we can see right here in show pop-up. So when they give us their email, where does that actually go? What happens, right? What we're going to do is we're going to go to integrations. We're going to go to MailChimp. And we're going to do add to list, right? And we are going to do Kevin David 1. And remember, guys, if at any point you need to make another email list, you can just come back into MailChimp, go to lists, create a list here. We can call this one, testing 1, or we could call it, Kevin David 2. The default from address, we could do kevin@kevindavid.com. Obviously, this would be your SMTP email. If you don't have like a @domain email, then just sign up for G Suite @domain email. And you can just sign up for G Suite. I think it's like $5 or something super cheap, and you can make an email like this for your website. There's lots of tutorials for that. Default from name, we'll do Kevin David. You join Kevin David. It's awesome list. Right, and then we're going to go to save. Excellent, you have a brand new list. Now if we go back into here, we remove this integration. Let me go back to integrations and do MailChimp. Add to lists. We still see Kevin David 1, but if we refresh list from API, boom, Kevin David 2. Right, and so now this list is, when people opt into this particular funnel step, the email list will be added here. So we can actually test this by saving and then previewing. Remember to always save when you guys are done. In this preview, we'll do test@test.com. I always do that. Kevin D. It'll give me my cheat sheet. Oops, test@test.com. All right, let's do gmail.com. Maybe it's smarter than I think. Yeah, it is. All right, cool. So now let me go back in here and we refresh this page, and it didn't work. So let's figure out why. Oh, it's because the send confirm is still checked. So let's go back, do add to list, choose Kevin David 2, and then don't send confirmation email. Save. Now let's try it one more time. Kevin D testing@gmail.com. Be my cheat sheet. All right, so now when we refresh, boom, 1 subscriber. Cool. So that, guys, is how you set up email integration using Mailchimp, again, which is it's free up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to show you guys how to do it the free way. How I do it is a little bit different. I actually integrate an SMTP and then send mail directly through ClickFunnels, but that does require the $297 per month option. And so you don't have to have that to do it this way with the Mailchimp integration, guys. So that is how you actually collect people's emails, import them directly to lists, and then again, you can create campaigns and templates to send them emails automatically on a schedule, every 3 days, every 6 days, every 9 days, whatever it is. And so that, guys, is how you set up your email. And again, the integrations on the cheat sheet landing page that I gave you. And again, guys, remember, you can give away anything you want here, like a cheat sheet. You could do some recipes. It could be anything you want that you want to give as free value in exchange for people's emails, so that you can then reach out to them later on. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Let's get to the next.